Oh, foam tires. Don't like foams. I don't like foams. Oh. She's not bad, like. Let's take her across, see what speed she was doing. None, I just turned it and it went.
Is that the grip?
Yeah, I'll be willing to send it one more time here, as long as it's going straight, but I want to see what speed we got. And try not to steer just as much. And see what speed that was at. Start 116, my word. Start again.
That shell takes a hell of a lot of the abuse away from the car.
It really does, doesn't it? Oh, I need to turn the steering down more. I just steered it and she went. That's hard to control. That is really hard to control. Right. So that is her, ready to go again. No. No. It's petrifying me, like I can't do it. You see how she's all over the show?